Hi everybody, welcome to my channel today. So if you can tell that my voice is a little bit hoarse, I've been down with the flu. I was away in Australia and the day before I started coming home I started to feel a bit ill. So let me tell you, that plane ride was not fun. So I have been down with the flu for over a week, and while I was sick, a FabFitFun box arrived and it has been sitting in my beauty room, but I just have not been feeling well. So I finally am feeling well enough to film. I still sound a little bit hoarse and I can see my skin looks waxy and tired, but I am super excited to open this box and see what's inside. So I have been subscribed to FabFitFun for about 2 years now, I think, and for the last year I have been a member, and what that means is you sign up for a full year and pay a full year in advance, and that gives you options to customize your box, which I really like, and I find a lot of value in that when you get to choose some of the items, because some of the things are things that I know I definitely will not use, and that way I get a choice. And you also get to have early access to what's called the Edit, and what it is kind of add-ons. It's basically a store online, and you can buy things at a reduced price. Now normally I have got sucked in a couple times, but I don't normally do it because it is in US dollars and it does add up pretty quickly, and usually it's things I really don't need. However, this spring box is the last box in my year that I bought, and so I have to decide this time if I'm going to cancel, because if I do decide to renew, I have to renew for a full year, and it's a lot of outlay of money at once. And I do find a lot of these boxes, as much as I enjoy them, a lot of the stuff I don't end up using and just end up giving away. So I'm going to decide. So anyway, because this was my last box, I thought I would take a look on the Edit page, and I did pick up a couple of add-ons. So I will show you those first, and they were really great value. So the first one is Sol de Janeiro Samba foot cream. Now I use this all the time, and I pay $35 Canadian for it on the Sephora website, and on the FabFitFun one I believe it was around 15 US. So that was a huge savings, and it came with my box, so I didn't have to pay additional shipping. So I'm super excited about this. This is a fantastic product that I use all the time. Now this is something from Paulas Choice. Now I've heard from so many of my subscribers that I should try Paulas Choice, but the products aren't readily available in Canada, and if I was to purchase them, I think the only place really that I know of would be Ulta maybe, or Nordstrom, and it is very expensive. To ship to Canada, it's always have to pay in US dollars, and right now I think our exchange is about 25 to 30%, so that is a lot of money. So I tend to shy away from buying items from the US, but Paula's Choice had a few items on this add-on page, so I thought I would try it. And this is an exfoliate. It is a 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. It's a salicylic acid, so I thought, why not, let's give it a try. So I've been super excited to try some of her products, and we'll see how it goes. Now the next one, this is something I always have in my cupboard, especially for travel, and that is the Poo-Pourrri Spray. This is very, very helpful if you're going on holiday and sharing a bathroom and all that, and let's just leave it at that. And this also came at a really good price. So this time I was able to customize. The customization option actually came online while I was in flight to Australia. So I was thinking, oh please, I hope there's still customizations available when I arrive. And that was one of the first things I did. I said hello to my family and said, what's your Wi-Fi password, and logged on so I could choose my items. Because like I said, I find that very valuable when you can get things that you really, really wanted, and then not pay for things that you probably wouldn't have chosen. So first things first, it's a super cute box, nice tropical theme, and I see even the inside of the box is nice and tropical, and it comes with the magazine inside like it always does, that tells you all about what's inside the box, and then just some fun little stories and things. I always really enjoy to read this. So one of the customization choices was this picnic set. Now, I probably need just like a hole in the head, but what I liked about it is it seemed like it was good for travel. Often when my husband and I travel, I pick up food to eat in our hotel room. We don't always go out for every single meal, and then you're always stuck with how do you eat it and utensils and things like that in the room. So this looked really small and compact, and it looked really cute. It's plastic dishes and cutlery, and I just thought it would be super helpful for when we travel. So we'll see. It's from the Sunnylife, and in the customization, sometimes they give you a choice of things, or you can get both and just pay an additional $10 US. So that is what I did with this one. And I'm going to open the page so you can see what some of these items are. Okay. So here, this also was a customization option, and this is a swell bottle. So you had a choice of this, a skipping rope, or a daily detox brush. And so I chose the swell bottle. I've heard so many good things about these. I always like having water bottles, especially ones that keep my drinks cold, so I can keep them in the car when it's hot in the summertime and still have a cold drink. And I always struggle to find ones that fit in my cup holder because I don't like drinks rolling around in my vehicle. Not that anybody does. So this one here, this is Lavido Inspired by Nature. It is a aromatic body lotion, and mandarin orange and bergamot. Now I can't smell anything right now, so it's pointless. And this was a choice as well. I don't remember choosing it, but the choice was this, some copper plated measuring spoons, or a mystery item. So I chose the body lotion, which is always handy to have. Now this is from Dr. Brandt, and it is an eye depuffing gel. So this I don't think was a spoiler. I didn't know anything about this one, and I'm super excited to try this. I've heard a lot of good things about Dr. Brandt. I think I've used the odd sample here and there, so it's just an eye gel for depuffing. So we'll see how that goes. This was an extra that I could get instead of the swell. So you could either get the swell bottle or this sponge. And it is a dry brush. And I thought this would be super handy. I do use a Sage brand dry brush all the time before the shower, and I find it super helpful. So I thought it would be nice just to have an extra as a backup. So I did pay an extra $10 for this. And I'm happy with that. Oh, this is cool. This is from Ouai, and it is a leave-in conditioner. I always use leave-in conditioner sprays. I use them as detanglers when I first get out of the shower, and Ouai is a very nice product. So I'm super excited about that. And that wasn't one of the spoilers. Now this was a choice. This is Ouai sunglasses. So you had a choice of 2 styles of Ouai sunglasses. And I chose a certain style, which I will show you, and then you could buy for an additional $10 was that picnic set. So I did get the glasses and the picnic. And I kind of got some funky glasses. I doubt I'll ever wear them, but you never know. And I believe Ouai is a very nice brand. I think they sell them at Nordstrom, I'm not quite sure. So these are kind of a funky cat eye. And they're quite fun. I don't think I'd wear them. And they're very big for my face and head. They don't fit me, but anyway, they're quite fun. And like I said, I get a lot of stuff in these that have grand intentions that I want and I don't end up using. And anyway, we'll see. So this was something I was very excited about, and it was a spoiler, and it is a robe. And it is this gorgeous floral pattern. It is like a soft cotton. It does have some stretch to it, but it is definitely a cotton fabric. Very, very pretty for summer, spring. This was a choice. You could get this bathrobe or a backpack or a aromatherapy diffuser. And I just chose the bathrobe because that's all I wanted. So I know I will definitely wear that, and that was one of the things I definitely wanted to log on online because that was a spoiler and I really wanted it. And last but not least, This feels like a tub of something, and it is a champagne charcoal scrub. So it is a body scrub. I'm not normally too crazy about scrubs that are in pots in the shower. I just find digging in is a bit of a pain, but I know I will definitely use it because I always use body scrubs, especially in the summertime when I am doing self-tans. So this box is definitely well worth the money. I did get a lot of nice things and some nice add-ons. This was a great deal, and some neat things that I've always wanted to try. So this was a really good box. I am really happy about it, but I am going to sit and think carefully if I do want to continue with the FabFitFun box. It is fabulous. It is really nice, but I just think because I have such a large collection of makeup and products that I just can't get through it all, and a lot of the things I end up passing on. Just on a side note, I did cancel my Canadian box, the Simply Beautiful box. I did love it. I really enjoyed all the products, but again, I found a lot of it I was just passing on and not actually using, and that one was quite a bit more expensive than this one, so I did cancel it. So anyway, we'll see. I'll decide. I've also been kind of stalking the BoxyCharm box. I find that one has a lot of more makeup products that I would like to try. So anyway, we will see. But for now, I'm super excited with this, and I will keep you guys posted on whether I decide to keep up with my subscription boxes or if I decide to add any new ones. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye!